Adolf Hitler, the leader of Nazi Germany, was responsible for the Holocaust, during which approximately 6 million Jews were systematically murdered. The motivations behind this genocide were deeply rooted in a combination of factors, including anti-Semitism, racial ideology, political aims, and a desire for the so-called Aryan supremacy. Here is an overview of why this horrific event occurred in more detail. Anti-Semitism. Hitler and the Nazi Party were driven by a virulent form of anti-Semitism, which was the basis for their hatred of Jews. They promoted the idea that Jews were to blame for Germany's problems, including economic hardships, political instability, and military defeats. Racial ideology. The Nazis believed in a pseudoscientific theory of Aryan racial superiority, which held that the Aryan master race was inherently superior to all other races. They considered Jews and other minority groups as racially inferior and dangerous to the purity of the Aryan race. Scapegoating. Hitler used Jews as a convenient scapegoat to rally public support and deflect blame away from the Nazi regime for the country's problems. By blaming Jews, the Nazis could consolidate power and pursue their radical agenda, eugenics and racial hygiene. The Nazis were obsessed with notions of racial purity. They believed in the need to cleanse the German population of anyone they considered racially impure, which included Jews, Romani people, disabled individuals, and others. Totalitarian control. Hitler aimed to create a totalitarian state where the Nazi Party had complete control over all aspects of life. The persecution and eventual extermination of Jews were part of the broader goal to eliminate all opposition and create a racially homogeneous society. Nuremberg Laws. In 1935, the Nazis introduced the Nuremberg Laws, which stripped Jews of their citizenship, imposed numerous restrictions on their lives, and defined who was considered Jewish based on ancestry. This legal framework laid the groundwork for further persecution. Kristallnacht. In November 1938, a violent anti-Jewish pogrom known as Kristallnacht took place. This marked a significant escalation of violence against Jews, resulting in destruction of businesses, synagogues, and the arrest of thousands of Jews. Systematic mass murder. As World War II began, the Nazis initiated the systematic mass murder of Jews in what became known as the Holocaust. This involved the establishment of concentration camps and extermination camps, where millions of Jews were killed through methods such as gas chambers, mass shootings, forced labor, and starvation. It's important to remember that the Holocaust was not solely the result of Adolf Hitler's actions, but also involved the collaboration of many individuals within the Nazi regime, as well as the passivity of others who allowed it to happen. The Holocaust remains one of the most heinous and tragic events in human history, and its memory serves as a reminder of the consequences of intolerance, hatred, and unchecked authoritarianism. Thanks for watching this video.